Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing how to set up direct email creation for Google Workspace. The reason why you would do this is to avoid the whitelisting steps for sending simulation emails from the platform and guarantee email delivery every single time. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start from our dashboard and go down to Company, and then we're going to go to Company Settings. The next thing we're going to do is go to Direct Email Creation. If you've already set up direct email creation for Microsoft, you'll see that here. For creating a new direct email creation, we'll go to New. We'll select Google Workspace. We'll name our configuration name. And then this client ID number will already populate. We're going to copy this to our clipboard. Next, we'll select the domains that we want to use with this configuration. It is mandatory that all domains that we're using for our direct email creation settings must already be on the approved domain list or verified through the platform. To learn more about this, please see our domain verification video. We'll add our domains in here. Once we've added our domains, we want to keep this page open and go over to our Google Admin. Once we're in our Google Admin Workspace panel, on the left side, we're going to go down to Security, and we're going to go to Access and Data Control, and then we're going to go to API Controls. And on the API Controls page, we're going to scroll down to Domain-Wide Delegation. And we're going to click Manage Domain-Wide Delegation. Next, we're going to click Add New. And we're going to enter that client ID that we copied from the platform. And then we're going to enter the following URLs into the OAuth Scopes field. You can find these domains under the documentation page for Google Direct Email Creation. Once we've entered these 3 domains, go ahead and click Authorize. Now that this is completed, we're going to go back into the platform, and we're going to go ahead and click Send Test Email. Once we fill out our Send Test Email settings, go ahead and click Send. And we'll see that test email has been sent. And as we can see, that test email has been successfully sent. Now that we've tested our direct email creation, we'll go ahead and click Save. If we ever need to edit our direct email creation settings, we'll go ahead under Actions and we can hit Edit, or we can hit Delete if we want to delete this direct email creation setting. And that is everything you need to know about creating your Google Direct Email Creation settings. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.